know what trucking company has this truck made specifically for them? Oh, you got a 903. This is pretty high about the being 420. I'm just giving her the benefit of the doubt. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what the game is all about. We're here to have fun tonight, especially in this class. And here is Let's Bear is off the line and running. We need 6 spray liners. We've got 6 hitches, and this is Drew Holden. Drew, I think you stuttered yourself. Just about halfway through the class. Old Jeremy Martin's coming up next, coming up there at the International. How quiet Jeremy is. He hauls a lot of dry cement out of Hagerstown. It's amazing. Yes, it is. Drew Holden with the goal. What a big deal about it. And of course, riding an old 87 Western. Ladies and gentlemen, we have had so much fun the last 2 nights. Off the line, Timmy Martin. Yes, indeed. He's going to do 250. The hard place. Drew Holden.